Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the document. First, click exactly on or beside the vertical line so Google Docs will select the containing object. Once selected, observe whether a table cell highlight, paragraph marker, or drawing frame appears. Make sure the ruler is visible to spot column divisions. If you see a blue table outline or table cell shading, it's a table. If a thin single-line margin follows the paragraph, it's a paragraph border. Identifying the source is the key next step. Once you've identified the source, act accordingly. For a paragraph border, use Format right arrow borders and shading, choose the left border and set style to none or width to 0 pt, then apply. For a table, click inside a cell, right-click and open Table Properties, set border width to 0 pt and confirm. For a line inside a drawing, double-click the drawing, select the line and delete it or set stroke to 0. Make sure to apply changes and click away so the document updates visually. After making the change, scroll the document to confirm the vertical line is gone across pages and sections. If the line remains, try Format right arrow clear formatting on the affected paragraph, which removes lingering paragraph-level borders. If that does not help, copy the content, without headers/footers, into a new Google Docs file. This often removes hidden formatting. Finally, if the problem persists, reload the page and disable browser extensions that modify page appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.